Forgotten username recovery failed on Brex Fix. If you've been trying to recover your Brex username and it keeps failing, don't panic, you're not the only one. Most people get this wrong because they think Brex still uses traditional usernames. But here's the surprising truth: Brex doesn't use usernames at all anymore. Everything is tied to your email address. Brex, the platform for business cards and expense management, upgraded its login system to improve security and simplicity. That means your email is now your main identifier. So if your forgotten username request fails, it's not because your account is lost, it's because the system isn't looking for a username. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Go to the Brex login page. Instead of searching for a username, enter your registered business or personal email address. If you're not sure which one you used, check your inbox for old Brex emails, those will confirm the correct address. Step 2. If you can't remember your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset link sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it. Step 3. If your company account was set up by an administrator, reach out to them. They can confirm the email linked to your Brex profile. Step 4. If you've tried all this and still can't get in, contact Brex support. Mention that your forgotten username recovery failed and provide your registered email or business name. Their team can verify your account and help you regain access. Most users think something's wrong with the system, but the real issue is that the old username-based recovery process no longer applies. Once you log in with your verified email, you'll be back in your account and ready to manage your business finances. So don't worry, your Brex account is safe. Just log in using your email, reset your password if necessary, and your access will be restored quickly.